Common Core State Standards, Math, 7th grade, expressions and equations for Algebra 2A and 2B, and we're talking about more two-step equations. And this one's quite complicated, so let's look at it. So it's 2/10 times x minus 3 and equals -10. So you have a lot to look at here. You have decimals, you have negatives, and you have to balance. So in this case here, you might just want to divide by 0.2 because you can divide that on both sides. And when you do that, it's a little bit different than what we've been doing, but we can do it this way. X minus 3 equals, and this would be stop, drop, divide, so that goes, move your decimal, it would be 50, and it's a -50 because we have a negative here. Okay, so then the next step would be add your constant, so plus 3, and you get x equals, these are different signs, so you subtract them and take the sign of the larger. Now to check this, I want you to check this, and you need to be able to check these all the time. You write the original equation, so 0.2 times x minus 3 and equals -10. Second step is you substitute the answer. X is 47. So 2/10 times -47, it's -47, minus 3, does that equal -10? So we work inside the parentheses, order of operations. -47 and a -3 is a -50. Bring down the rest of the stuff, times 2/10. Does this equal -10? And when you multiply 2 times 50, you're going to get 100, but you have one decimal. So indeed, this here is -10 does equal -10. And I do require you to be checking these. So, thank you.